Mark. Don't get in the way. Good girl, Bailey. Bobby? Bobby? Leave her alone. Come on, Bailey. That's it. Sneak underneath of him. Bobby, come here. Come here, Bob. Bailey! Bailey! Stay, Lily. We have too many dogs in here. We have too many dogs in this room. Yes, we do. Get down, Mark. Can't find a bed you like, sweetie? Found a toy anyway, huh?